Ya, ini pemain kita geng ya, Papatola FC. Jadi untuk medali kita ada 49 gengnya. Oke, mereka udah mulai ya. Siap. Oke. Yo bang, ada bang. Sorry bang, lagi live out.
To connect with that tackle. He slid for the ball, but missed. It's not a good tackle at all. He looks hurt down there, and he's in some pain. Budapest to take it. The keeper collects that one. Silva, defending. Poor attempt to win the ball. A missed challenge there.
Oke.
Sends it forward.
Oke guys, jadi di permainan kali ini kita nggak tegang ya guys ya, jadi santai aja. Perlawanan ini sangat memungkinkan geng.
Passed inside. Poor attempt to win the ball.
Pas geng. Walah. Mereka sangat menyakitkan geng ya. Sangat menegangkan permainan kali ini. Yuk, mantap.
That's nicely played. Oh, he must score. That's a great
Oke, mantap.
And his hard work and determination have paid off there as he finds himself on the
Kali ini geng ya.
Let's take another look at that.
Kita lihat replaynya geng ya. Mantap. Oke,
They're
santai
kicking
aja.
off after that goal. Will they change their approach to this match though? Oh, well intercepted. Good ball.
Santai aja.
And there's the shot.
Kipernya sangat hebat guys
Let's
ya.
take another look at that. We're only going to have 1 minute of stoppage time today. The ball is swung into the deep. Heads towards goal. Oh, that's good work by the defence. Just
Offside.
offside.
Memang kurang ajar.
And it's half-time.
Oke, mari kita palaskan ini ya. Aduh, iklan memang. Oke, kita atur formasi dulu. Oke, santai baik. Oke, mantap.
Decided to make one small change to his squad. It's a second half. So
Oke.
changes have been made.
Bodoh.
It's gonna become late. He's getting back inside. Booted clear.
Aduh.
Play. It really has been a clean game today. No cards just yet. Distributes the play. Has a dig. Well
Oke.
taken by the goalkeeper.
Kali ini kita menyerang ya guys ya.
Captain on the ball. And this really takes the pressure
Aduh.
off the defence. He kicks the ball away from danger.
Yuk.
Plays it sideways.
Aduh.
It's
Crowdnya
been
geng ya.
evenly matched in terms of possession. Finds his teammate. Long ball.
Aduh, jauh kali.
Yeah, he picks up nice
Santai.
Budabus.
Santai. Oke, rebut bola.
The attacker is in possession.
Mantap, yuk.
Not going easy on the opposition today. They're hungry for more. Oh, defending.
Sangat tegang sekali permainan kali ini.
Pereira with the clearance. Quality defending there.
Offside karena dia terburu-buru kayaknya. Jadi oke.
Passed inside. Still time to grab an equaliser. The manager
Aduh.
is pushing his players forward in a last-ditch effort to get a goal. Good distribution from the keeper there. Budabus. He's so skillful on the ball, and the team swap possession again. Good ball. Passed well. We're entering injury time. The ball has gone up, and we're going to have 3 minutes of stoppage time. Well timed there. Great defending.
Mantap gue. Aduh. Waktu 90 menit. Habis.
The roar goes up in the stadium. It's confirmed. And the goal
Wah.
down to their trophy collection.
Aduh, kita juara 1 gamenya.